Welcome back to my channel, guys, and in today's video I'm going to introduce you to two new products which I've gotten for my skincare, and these products are from UAE. The reason why I bought these products is that first of all, economical with the price. Also, the other fact was that it was made in UAE, and UAE's climate and Pakistan's climate is the same because it's hot there as well, and the ingredients which are put in making for these, when they make these beauty products, they keep in mind the climate of the country and what weather the people are gonna use in, and vice versa. So the reason behind why I bought these, I was pretty sure that these are gonna suit my skin and skin type, because they were also from a country which is very humid, which is very hot, just as Pakistan is. My two products which I'm going to introduce in this video, and one is the scrub, face scrub, and the other one is the mask. If you're not following me on Instagram, guys, please go below the link and follow me. If you are following me on Instagram, you know that what I buy, why I buy, when I update my followers, and when I give the honest reviews about every product that I use. So it's been a while that I've bought these. They're really going good. That's why I thought why I wait and review them later when I can, because the results are really good. I couldn't wait anymore to review them on my YouTube. The first one I'm gonna review about is the face scrub. I am gonna review about it, and I'm gonna actually use on my skin. I'm gonna show you guys how this looks. So I'm gonna open it. The jar is actually full. It smells amazing. It smells like nuts. Actually, it said that the ingredients say that there are walnut shell powder, and it does smell like some nuts. Yummy, I want to eat it. I'm gonna apply it. My face is washed. I'm not applying any makeup on my face, and this is how I'm gonna use it on my face. Later I will apply the mask. So it says that there is gold inside it, gold particles, and they said that this is gonna do a deep exfoliation here, and they also say it removes dead cells and impurities, leave your skin fresh and younger. It's for face and body, and it says exfoliates, cleanses, and refreshes the skin. Its mild grain makes the exfoliator application for all types of skin that helps in removal of dead skin cells and black beads, thereby leading to regeneration of newer ones. तो regeneration करवाएगा न्यू सेल्स की, और डेड सेल्स को रिमूव करवाएगा, विच इज़ इनफैक्ट अ गुड वन. और जैसे कि केमिकल एक्सफोलिएशन होता है, वैसे ही फिजिकल एक्सफोलिएशन है, जिसको हम स्क्रबिंग कहते हैं. और स्क्रब चूज़ करना बहुत लाजमी है, ज़रूरी है, और कौन सा यूज़ कर रहे हैं ये भी बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि मुझे हर स्क्रब सूट नहीं करता. मैं जो भी स्क्रब लगाती हूँ मुझे दाने आ जाते हैं, फॉरन पिंपल्स आ जाते हैं मेरे फेस पे, क्योंकि मेरी स्किन बहुत सेंसिटिव है. लेकिन आपको स्मूथ ऑन भी रहना पड़ता है, बहुत स्मूथली करना होता है और बहुत काम होना पड़ता है. लेट्स गेट इनटू दिस. माय फेस इज क्लीन एज यू ऑल नो. गोना जस्ट टेक बिट एंड अप्लाई लाइक, एंड ज़्यादा नहीं अप्लाई करना है, थोड़ा सा. ओके, I'm gonna scrub it on my skin. I hope you can see. आपका हाथ बहुत जेंटल होना चाहिए, ज़्यादा तेज़ नहीं करना है, क्योंकि अगर आप तेज़ करेंगे तो फिर आपको पता है आपके पोर्स बहुत ज़्यादा आपका एक्टिव एक्नी होता है, जो अगर आपके फेस में एक्नी है तो आपको बेहतर है कि आप कोई भी स्क्रब ना यूज़ करें. गो फॉर केमिकल एक्सफोलिएशन. बट इफ you're someone who has got acne and severe and active acne, you shouldn't go for a scrub, physical exfoliation like this. I can feel the grains. Literally, these are, kind of, you can feel it on your face. So this is where I want to do it, like corner of the nose, here, this is where I want to do it precisely. Scars where you think there is uneven skin tone and few more blemishes, you can go a little bit harder on them. Go for the nose as well. And I'm done with the scrub and I'm gonna go and wash my face and make you guys see how it looks actually. So guys, I'm back. You can see my skin looks a little refreshed and clean, and refreshed and really clean, and this smells amazing, guys. It's cleared my skin out since I'm using these. Whoever knows me knows that I love scrubbing, and this is like the fun part for me. And literally not all scrub suits me, but this one is less annoying, I would say. It does not affect the sensitive parts on my face. So guys, now after washing my face and drying it, I am gonna apply this mask, which is from Cosmo, as you can see, and is a charcoal mask. Let's read what it says. It says it's a face mask, charcoal based whitening and rejuvenating system. So it's a whitening and rejuvenating system, whitening complex. Although I don't go for whitening products, but this one is actually something which people told me that this is amazing, and of course it's not so pricey, so I thought why shouldn't I give it a try. और मुझे अच्छा लगा क्योंकि ये डार्क स्पॉट्स को जो है वो ऐसा ये कह रहा है कि ये डस्ट, डर्ट, पोल्यूशन, क्लॉग्ड स्किन पोर्स और स्किन जो डल लगती है उसको it will regenerate it. Also it says it will activate charcoal. It helps in removal of dirt and impurities from your pores, eliminating whiteheads and blackheads. Because we live in a city, and I thought this will be a good one for me, as well as breakouts and leaving your face cleaner and fresher and smoother. It says आपको apply करना है dry skin पे, as you can see my skin is dry, और eye और lip area को white करना है और 10 मिनट के लिए रखना है, और and then massage in the excess product until completely absorbed. Remove excess with a cotton pad or wash the mask with lukewarm water. Okay guys, so let's start with this one. मैंने अप्लाई कर लिया है मास्क, और अब मैं वेट करूँगी 10 मिनट्स तक. इन्होंने इंस्ट्रक्शंस में कहा है कि 10 मिनट्स तक आपको वेट करना है, तब तक ये जब तक ये ड्राई हो जाएगा, और उसके बाद आपको मसाज करना है और उसको एब्जॉर्ब करवाना है. उसके बाद आपको वॉश करना है या रिमूव करना है. लेट्स वेट फॉर सम टाइम. It does have the tingling effect. थोड़ा थोड़ा ये tingling effect इसमें है. Let's wait for 10 minutes guys and let's see what it does with my skin. So guys, if you want to buy these, I will give the link below. Do check my links because they contain the places that I've bought things from. And if you ask me where I have bought these, I don't really remember. That's why I always attach their links with it, so you can check it out and you can buy these from there. Guys, I'm back और ये 10 मिनट के बाद कुछ ऐसा लग रहा है. अब मैं इसको मसाज करूँगी. हाथ आपके साफ होने चाहिए. You need to know this. और थोड़ा सा पानी लेकर मैं हाथ में इसको मसाज करूँगी और एब्जॉर्ब करवाऊँगी as they said in the instructions.
Okay guys, now I'm gonna wash it.
So guys, I have washed my face और आप देख रहे हैं कि मेरी स्किन कैसी हो रही है. I really like this scrub and mask, especially the scrub. The scrub is amazing. Like my skin feels very fresh. It's not sticky. It's not creamy. It's just amazing. Like I cannot describe the texture of the scrub. It's amazing. Mask is just fine. I don't know if it worked. I wanted it to work, but it was better than all the other local masks that is available in the any local market. So I think कि ये बहुत अच्छे थे और feel so fresh जब मैंने इनको यूज़ किया है. Literally, my skin looks plump and I think you guys can feel it through the camera. So I love it. I would recommend it and I'm gonna use it. मुझे इनको यूज़ करते हुए सिर्फ एक वीक हुआ है और मुझे बहुत अच्छे रिजल्ट्स मिले हैं. I recommend everyone to go check out their page and buy them. I always link the things that I buy from below, so you need to check my captions below and check the link. I have given the FB link. Online page is from the name Dubai Items. से आप लें और thank me later. So guys, we'll see you again with another video. I think you guys love my skincare videos because I've gotten a big and great response from everybody who has been watching me on YouTube. They always tell me to do skincare because I think they love it or they like how I do it or they like the skincare routine I have or they like my skin. I don't know what is the reason, but I think I'll be doing more skincare here. So guys, do follow me and let me know about it. Thank you guys. Take care.